Okay, so today, guys, we are playing Animal Hospital with our special guest, which will be forever.
Yeah, my name's Arlo.
Yeah, his name's Arlo. He just looks like a girl, that's all.
The audio is killing me.
The audio is killing you.
By the audio.
The audio is killing you, guys. The audio is killing him.
Yeah.
Blech. I usually stay up here. Okay.
Hello, sir. Madam. Say them.
Hey, I'm Hero Black. I want to check in as a patient. ... Oh my gosh.
Wait, let me hide over here.
Where are you? I don't know where. I don't know what and where the heck you are. Okay, that's pretty normal. Room 1. Okay, I'm gonna do that.
Boo! I scared you. Boo! Boo! I scared you. Be scared. Start running. Go faster.
Stop humping the poor thing.
What?
It looks like you're humping the poor thing. I can't tell if this thing's normal or not. Okay, let me see. Oh, this is so cute. Kaito Seo. Kaito's so cute. Kaito's so cute. Look at her. Look at his eyes.
Bro. You just rage baited me, bro.
No, he actually looks cute. Okay, I checked the name. Okay, that's good. Why is the person sitting there? Room 2. Room 2. Why is that person just sitting there? I don't know. If you're next. What the freak? I don't care at this point. Get up. Come over here, dude. Are you ready? Last time I played this game was my first time, and I sort of kind of got 2 windows. And I freaked out, and we all died. That's because the doctor is arriving.
You're smart as a cashew, lady.
It's the doctor.
Doctor.
You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. That sounds like Arlo. It has Arlo in his name. He has... Oh, some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and the security cameras for you. Stop.
Please.
Doctor, I don't like how you did that. I don't like how you... Whoa, why are you following the poor thing?
Yay!
Yes, every single thing I encounter I call poor. Hey!
The best. I did the best.
So... Tamago Yamamoto. Scooch, dude, he don't want bunny ears. I bet you, in fact, he hates bunnies.
I think this is an anomaly.
Give me a second.
Wait, does it have a neck? No, it's good.
He's good, dude. Room 4. What are you doing? Why is that person just sitting there? I don't like them. Oh my god! Oh, yep. You're crazy. This dude rolled his neck like crazy. Oh, he's looking at the camera.
Use the camera, they're an anomaly.
Oh, well, here's another anomaly. This dude looks freaky. I'm out of service, dude.
Dried up is something else. Dried up and Canadian? No, what is Canadian?
Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Ah!
Are you good?
No, this dude banging his head at the wall and I got scared. Get out of here!
You just assaulted by something.
I'm hoping you're normal. Okay, he left. Whoo! That was freaky. Okay, I think this person's normal.
Oh, by the way.
What?
Bang their head on this window. Get the coffee. Drink it twice, and then give it to Mr. Headbanger. Okay.
Oh, the dude already banged his head.
Dang it! I forgot to say it when we started. Oops, daisies. Okay.
Oh well, I guess. I'm scared because you said that, but it's okay. Who is that? Somebody that looks like a black bunny. A black rat?
This is Ratio. He's kind of an anomaly, but like we can let him in. He's like Barney.
I don't know who. Oh yeah, I don't remember Barney.
Coffee lover man. The one with the mustache who I have a crush on.
I'll let him in, guys. Why is that cat? So, do I let them in?
Yeah, you let them in.
Okay, I'll let you in. Room 2.
Room 2?
Yeah, there's another patient you have to do, too. Apparently.
I'll let the rest of you. Come in. I heard your sister died. We just started a conversation, Arlo.
I don't know what this dude is, and I am only a checking in service. I'm gonna use this camera until somebody comes in to check in. Unless they're looking at the camera, then I'm shutting out all services.
Dehydration.
I'm gonna try to let out all anomalies as much as I can. The doctor is arriving.
Restitude is healing. Amazingly.
Oh, he's got a... Hello, doctor. Hello, governor. I'm opening new facilities for you. I don't know what you're saying.
I'm talking to Restitude.
Oh. The shop. I like the shop. Let me see. Let's see what the shop has. Oh, it's the rad toot toot.
Nothing I can pay for. I'm able to pay for something.
Yeah, I can't. Oh, wait. Dude, why are you always best?
Here we go. Just go about.
I'm not doing another. I'm not doing an extra check-in window. That was horror. Mikajo. Okay, let's see Mikajo. Mikajo.
Let me check the cameras.
Yeah, I was just wondering. Like, totally, I was totally wondering. I was wondering, yeah. I was wondering if he was... Oh, pick him up.
We're throwing this one in the trash can.
No, you better not. I'm gonna bang your head against the wall.
We're gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. No one will know.
This one looks like he has mold.
If they pass out, I'm throwing it in. You might get a though.
This one looks like he has mold.
Just remind me not to throw any passed out patients in the trash can if it's coming to
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you that, yeah. I think that's important. And it's totally something I should be telling you instead of you remembering it. Room 4. Who is this?
Because in
Somebody with a brown hat's coming on.
once we reach shift 10.
Hey there, friend. I'm Barney.
Barney!
Can you give me a coffee?
Barney!
I've had a long day. Thanks, friend. I needed that. I will remember this.
My favorite character.
Okay, I guess. Okay, bye.
I love you. Please come back.
I've only had Barney once in my life. I don't.
Blue, bleeding. Cough.
I don't know why people freak out about him.
Cough herbs.
Why is pink like that? There's a onion. Oh. Oh.
Loser, what are you bawling about?
Their eyes.
That is not cute.
Their eyes are cute. It looks adorable.
I'm the cute one here. Not that.
I'm emotional now. I feel maternal towards it.
Call me cute. Call me cute. I feel jealous. There's a patient on fire!
What the freak? Ah! Ah!
I got it. Hurry up.
Why is he already?
An anomaly though.
Oh, is the person an anomaly though?
Do you have any patients in here?
We just saved an anomaly, dude.
Hello?
Yeah, huh? Oh, there's another person. I have to check in 2 more patients. Just give me a second. Hey, I have an appointment. Looks good enough. The first time I saw somebody with these type of eyes, I thought they were an anomaly. It made me freaked out. Duke Jackson. Room 8.
Room 8?
8.
Room 8?
8. Cause you ate. Oh, is that same dude?
I don't want to deal with room 8.
Hello, friend.
Barney!
Can I get another coffee?
Mwah. I love you,
Oh my gosh. Brew coffee, brew!
Barney. We can reject him, by the way.
I can wisp up some coffee in 17 seconds.
If we need to, we can reject him, by the way.
No. I need to get the coffee for him. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got the coffee for you, Barney. This tastes amazing, friend. You are the best.
Is this enough now?
May I ask for a favor, friend? Oh gosh, I'm scared. Can you keep this suitcase safe for a while? What?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. What do we do with it, though?
Huh?
What do we do with it?
It just is under here and it doesn't do anything.
Okay. Just wondering.
But Barney will help us, by the way, which is why I'm pressuring you to help him so much. He will give us another pot of coffee.
Oh, yay.
And we kind of need that.
Yep, because we have 2 people. Ew! Get this fugly thing out of here.
What?
Look at his face! He just turned black.
What a beautiful face. I'm sure it's something only your mother could love.
Barney again?
Barney! You can reject him this time, though. Because, we just gave him coffee.
Sharpie, my friend. I would love a coffee right now.
Barney,
How do I reject him?
just close the shutters or wait a while.
I'm sorry, Barney. Barney, I'm sorry. I see why people like him now. Barney, I'm sorry.
By the way, if we ever get a ritual, then we can either tase the person that's in the air during the ritual, or we can use the eye drops on the candles.
Barney. Barney.
Let me up inside.
I'm sad now. I just rejected. Is this good? I almost said Martine. Martin Tonica.
Are we keeping track of all the cameras? Have you looked at the, did you look at the cameras? Are you looking at the cameras? Make sure to look at the cameras.
Dude, these names are half American, half Japanese.
It's Caribbean.
Oh my gosh.
Time to throw someone else in the trash can. What are you doing? Throw them in the trash can. I don't want
No. I'm reminding you, you can't go in the trash can.
No way. No one will know. No one has to know.
Everyone has to know. I will tell everyone about our story.
What? No. Stomach ache at those herbs. I want my bandages back, please, because I know you're going to take them. That was a stomach ache, though.
Oh, the doctor is arriving. The doctor is arriving, guys. I hope we don't die after 4.
I have 45 sanity.
I have 49. You can have the coffee. Some patients may seem unstable.
You seem unstable, doctor.
And, make sure to use the photo and cameras. Taylor, how do you know so much about this? You might be an anomaly yourself, you know.
I'm pretty sure you can't an anomaly. Visitors immediate anomaly. There's a patient on fire.
Oh, I'm the best, guys. I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best.
You know what you are?
The best.
You're gay.
I knew this would happen. I'm going to clench my fist in rage. I hope it'll bang your head.
What? She's threatening me. She's threatening me, guys.
Oh my gosh. Go, doctor! No, doctor! Bad boy. Bad boy.
They're being healthily treated in the room.
Hey. Oh, freak nah, bruh. This dude looks freaky. The cameras.
Are they tweaking in the cameras?
Yes, it has something blocking it that has eyes. It has a block that has eyes. Oh, blocking its face.
Okay.
I'm Lucy Hayashi. Yes, I did check the cameras. I want to check in as a patient.
I'm going to crash out if you say you are in rooms.
Room what?
Right.
Room 5.
It almost made me a little angry. Oh my god.
Who's this? Name's Ron. From accounting. I don't... What do you need? You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people?
It's because I
Never mind.
need coffee. I'm gonna die.
Get coffee. I don't need the coffee right now. I'm fine. Get the coffee.
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Okay, this is Ron from accounting then. This is Ron from accounting.
Yeah, his name's just Ron from accounting, which is
Room 1.
his last name is literally from accounting, by the way. I dropped cough.
That's idiotic. Hello, my name is Maggie Whiskers. You look like your name would be Maggie Whiskers, but that's not a bad thing. You kind of look like a catfish. I don't know how, but
You look like a catfish, though.
that picture scared me.
Do we have a new patient?
Oh, it's the rat again.
No, Rat. It's right with you.
It's Ratty. It's Ratty. Ratty. I call it Ratty. I like calling it a rat. You are a good guy. It's Rathu. You are a good guy. My name is Rathu. You finally gave me your name. I love you, Rathu. My advice? Don't trust anyone here. Not even Arlo. Okay, Rathu. I think you're a great guy also, Rathu. I think you're a great guy too, Rathu. You're staring at me. I don't like that, but it's okay, Rathu, because your name's Rathu. I will be in room 7.
Hey, Ron. I hope you had a piece of parents. So...
Oh, freak nah, dude. Get this freaky... This dude's limbs stretched everywhere.
Love that Ratatouille decides that he wants to...
His legs are under the floor.
Oh.
Aw, this looks cute. It's the same eyes I love. Georgie Jackson.
That's every...
You came to visit someone? They came to visit someone, guys.
I hope it visits room 8 because it cries if it visits.
It cries what?
Because the characters that visit room 8 cry.
Oh. Room 7.
I've been studying the game, by the way, like religiously at this point.
Hmm?
And bandages.
I don't know. I need to see. Your limbs are strapped from one point to the other. You look as short as freak. You look like...
He doesn't deserve any visitors. I hate him. Stop.
Yeah, these cameras are crucial to the at this point. I'm smoky green. Yeah, you definitely are a smoky green. You're actually a baby blue. Oh, is that normal? Is this staticky photo normal?
Static photo is anomaly.
Okay.
Get out of here. No,
Get
sir.
out here, guys. You static. I'm gonna call you Mr. Static. I had a Mr. Static guy. These people with these eyes, I still get so mistaken I mistake them for anomalies because their eyes, they look like they have raccoon eyes. And I mistake them for anomalies because it's so wide out. Patience? Yes, of course.
I love how you can tell we don't have a script for this one.
Yeah. I'm so happy I'm not a doctor. Oh, what's wrong with you?
I'm overworked.
Room 2.
Paid. I'm underpaid.
You're definitely underpaid. Okay, is this an anomaly or not? I can't tell. Okay, let's do this, guys. So I'm ready. Riki on. Now that sounds Japanese. That definitely sounds Japanese. Riki on. Okay, looks normal.
Recording this at 10.
Room 3.
Room 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why are you looking at the screen?
What? That is the correct medicine.
Yeah, no, Tony Tada, you do not, you stop looking at me with those freakish teeth. You look like you eat slime for breakfast. And that's not a good thing either. Yeah, you're definitely overworked. Stop. I'm Hero Rivers. That checks out. I'm here for my appointment. Pretty normal. Yeah, pretty normal. This dude is normal.
Bus drove over you. Do we have anybody in the 6 through 8 section?
Well, room 1. You need a trait too, man.
Bro, that chair gave me a heart attack.
No, you.
Get
Ew! There's goo.
extinguisher for the slime.
Goo. Get your. This dude's slime. I told you he ate slime for breakfast. I told you.
Taken a little too literally. I just hear you slurping freaking,
That doesn't mean I slurp bad.
Oops.
Why did he eat you? What happened?
I'm cooked and dead, bro.
Where are you, dude? What? No.